Hello everybody, welcome to the channel. My name is Will Game, and if you are new here, how about follow, subscribe, and check out my hit the notification and hit the, just follow me anywhere on the description below. And with that being said, let's just talk about that OnlyFans debacle, which I've looked into, and I just want to say, what the hell are they thinking? Legit, like OnlyFans was created like, for like Instagram and stuff, like what I've known for. I'm not sure if that's the case, but right now, starting, okay, according to the Verge article, on Thursday, the video and image sharing site OnlyFans announced plans to ban sexual explicit content starting October 1st. While we're still not sure exactly why it's changing it so drastically. Oh, I know why it's made, because they don't want to have money. They do not want to have a lot of money. Like, it legit builds on pornography and having like all these men and women do sexual acts all for the sake of like what, millions of dollars. There are people making bank, like legit bank, out of this whole stuff, and for them to just have it in 2 months or a month from now to even delete it? Like, what? This is the whole Tumblr thing once more, where Tumblr, remember Tumblr? Remember when people used to, well, it's still like alive, just not as frequent, but Tumblr used to be a website where, well, you go there for porn. That's legit it. You just go there for like some nudity, some art, and some other things. Other than that, well, I don't know what you use over there. And Tumblr just shut down because, because they banned the 18 rating little dog along right there. And look what's happening to OnlyFans. How about you want to bet it won't even last a month? It won't even last 1 month for it to even succeed in its current state. It's gonna doom to fail, and it'll take a miracle for it to even return to its formal state. I mean, you can show nudity, but that's not the same. That's honestly not the same as, seeing like paying women. I don't pay women. I don't pay I don't pay women. I don't pay like OnlyFans. I think that's a little bit low for me, honestly. I'm better than that, but I know there are multiple horny people, multiple horny people for it to even have a chance of doing inside, for spending a lot of thousands of dollars for just something you can search up for free. But I don't know, the social media and stuff like that. I don't even know what is going on with this world. My God, I can't believe I'm living in like this. But to have it, outright banned it, just outright, remove the site's like main feature of it. Yeah, this is not gonna go anywhere. It's gonna die. It's going to be like a corpse by the end of October. Legit, as soon as Halloween hits, that little graveyard right there, we will see OnlyFans next to Tumblr and goddamn MySpace. Is MySpace even a thing anymore? Like, I don't even know if MySpace is even a thing anymore. But that's besides the point. OnlyFans is dying. I just came here to say about that because it's relevant for some reason, and I want to talk about it. So I hope you enjoy this stupid like freak out of a situation. Like, the people who are making OnlyFans or the owner of OnlyFans are just making the worst mistake possible. And with that being said, I hope you enjoyed this video, this little quick rant that I personally like doing. Don't forget to subscribe, leave a like, and, ciao.